Chapter 4.1 Making and Interpreting a Table. We are going to learn how we use table to organize data and present it. Like for example, in here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students who has birthday. Example, Leo, his birthday is in May. So, the person who made this information put the data into a table. In here, it's written the name and the month. Example, Raul, here, his birthday is in March. And Max, his birthday is in January. If we take a look at the table here, Raul's, the name, and his birthday is in March. Max, and his birthday is in January. So this is how we can make from information into a table. The next is about tally chart. Raul also can use tally chart. Example like here, the birthday month is in January, February, March, April, and May. And then he is counting. So one tally means there's only one person who has birthday in January and one person who has birthday in February. Take a look at over here. So January, the birthday person is Max, right? So take a look at this. Max's birthday is in January, but in March, Olivia and Raul has birthday. So in the tally chart on the next page, it's written that March, there are 3. So there are 3 people who have birthday in March. And there are 2 people who have birthday in May. How do we get all this information? The information is from the previous pages. So from this data, the name of the person and the birthday month, the table can be presented this way in a form of table, or the information can be made into a tally chart like this. And then another one is into a table, but then they do it from the first month, January, February, March, April, and May. And then these are the number of the friends who are having birthday. So this table and this table are also quite different because this is based on names. And the months are not in order. But over here, it's based on months and there are no names in here. So there are differences in here, this table, tally chart, and also the previous table. Next, we are going to see the guided practice. Raul asked each of his friends to bring one type of food for a picnic. He then used a tally chart to record the number of each type of food they brought. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 people brought burger, 5 people brought chicken, 7 people brought potato salad, 3 people brought salad, and 5 others bring other things. And then he makes another table based on type of food. Example, burger, the number of people who brought it are 4. How do we get this information? We see from here. And so on, then we complete this table. Example, the one that has blank in here, 5 people. 5 people are bringing chicken. So you can take a look. Actually, 5 people are bringing chicken and others. So this is 5 and this is also 5. But they do it in order. Burger the first, chicken the second, potato salad the third, green salad the fourth, and other to the last. When you want to answer your questions, take a look over here. Pay good attention on the information from the table and the tally chart. The most popular food was, please take a look at the tally chart. Which one has the most? Of course, it is this part, right? And then, what was the least popular food? That means the food that not everybody like. So you have to count which one is the least from here. Next one, there were how many friends at the picnic? So we can total all here all the tally to know the number of people at the picnic. How many more friends brought potato salad than burgers for the picnic? So take a look at the potato salad, which are 7, and burgers, which are 4. Excuse me, not 5. So 7 subtract by 4, then you see that's the more people who brought potato rather than burger. Okay, so try to solve these questions. Oh, we still have another one, guided practice on the next page. The bar graph shows the number of different types of fruit that Raul brought at the supermarket. So you can see in here, take a look, apple 10 and oranges 20. Peach, it's between 2 and 4. So it makes sense that it's 3. Pineapple 4, and pear between 8 and 10, it must be 9. And then you have to complete the table. Type of fruit and the number of fruit. Take a look at here. Apple is in here. So you have to put the answer in here. The answer is number over here. Okay, and complete this all. We also have the questions such as this. How many pieces of fruit did Raul buy altogether? If you want to know altogether, then you have to take a look at here again, all the numbers of fruit, and you have to find the total. Next to number 11. How many more pears than pineapples did Raul buy? So take a look at pears and pineapple. Over here, pear are 9 and pineapple are 4. If you have to find which one more, then you have to subtract. So subtract these two. Raul bought half as many blank as oranges. So you need to find the one which is half. Oranges is 20. Half of 20 is 10, because 10 multiplied 2 becomes 20. So you need to find something that has 10 in here, which is this one, right? Because this one is 9, it's not 10 yet. So that's the answer for number 12. Number 13, Raul wants to buy twice as many peaches as apples. How many more peaches does he have to buy? Raul wants to buy twice as many peaches. So peaches is in here. There are 5 peaches. Twice as many peaches as apples. And then the apples are here. How many more peaches does he have to buy? You need to subtract. There we go. So we are done with 4.1. Next meeting we will learn about 4.2.